What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the very first video that I'm dropping right now in 2026 with a banger, man. Before we get into the video, I'm going to be talking about the Cfpb right now that's suing Experian. This is major news. This is happening this year in 2026 in the month of September. They're going to be sitting down and following through with this lawsuit, man. So before we get into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, make sure y'all comment down in the comment section 800 credit score if that's your goal, man, or drop down in the comments what your goal is this year, man, and what y'all are trying to do. All right, so let's hop into the video, man. Like I said, right, the CFPB is suing Experian. Right? So what does that mean for you as a consumer? Right now is the perfect time for y'all to go ahead and dispute y'all negative accounts, man. This is the perfect time to start disputing your negative accounts. Why? Because Experian, right, they have not been doing proper investigations, all right? So have y'all ever ran into that situation over the years, right? You're doing all these dispute letters, you're sending them out, you're disputing online, and every time you dispute, they come back, what? What's the answer, y'all? What do y'all be saying? They either come back updated, or they come back what? What? Verified, right? And the reason why they come back verified is because they're not doing proper investigations, right? So when you send these dispute letters off, man, they have a system that's at the credit bureaus. It's called the Oscar system, right? So most of the time when you send your disputes in, it's not even the actual real human that is reading your dispute letters. Mind blown, right? No, they have a system that's called the Oscar system, and your letters are placed in there and they automatically come back verified. There is no human interaction with your dispute letters. There's nobody in the office going, oh, let me check on this. Let me go ahead and see if this is accurate, right? Yeah, none of that is happening, okay? Y'all got to know that, man. I'm giving y'all some gems right now, man. If y'all stayed to this point of the video and is tuned in, again, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Make sure you share it to your friends and family. Support the channel, and I'm going to keep dropping gems for y'all. What should we do? How many videos should I start dropping a week now, man? Because I became an expert and a pro when it comes to stuff like this. So should I drop a video like once a week, or should I do 2 a week? Y'all tell me in the comment section how many videos y'all really want me to drop, all right? But anyway, back to the subject. All right, so it's never been read by a real human being, right? Like I was saying, it's the Oscar system. If y'all don't know what that is, y'all can go on Google, ChatGPT it, whatever you got to do to research the definition of it, and y'all will get the knowledge there, right? The Oscar system is nothing but a computerized database type of thing that scans your letters and they come back verified. Nobody never looked at it, right? But I'm ready to give y'all the tactic that y'all need to do right now in 2026, all right? Even though you might have had those accounts come back already verified, all right? No biggie, no sweat. What you want to do is right now, if you're in that situation, you want to restart that process. Go ahead, send those letters out again. And that actually this time you want them to come back verified, because I'm telling y'all 99% of the time when you send them out the first time, they're going to come back verified, right? Because nobody's not reading it. And Experian has been getting away with this for a long time. So you want them to come back verified. Now this is the game changer, what y'all got to do now. Grab your notebook, grab your pen, grab your coffee, grab your tea. If you drink alcohol, grab your drink. If you smoke, go get something to go tote on, because I'm ready to show y'all exactly what you need to do. All right? So after you send your first letter off and they come back verified, right? You know that's going to happen. But after you send out the first round, you want to count 15 days from when you sent that first round of letters off. So let's say you sent them off April 1st, right? You want to count 15 days. Now, on April 15th, you want to send off a method of verification dispute letter. Why is this important? Because we already know that the accounts are going to come back verified. So what we're doing right now is called stacking credit disputes, right? So we already know they're going to come back verified. So what you want to do is send off that method of verification, because this letter is going to tell the Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax, whoever you're disputing with, how did you verify my accounts? Who did you speak with? What email did you send? Who did you call? Who gave you documentation that said this account is mine? Who gave you documentations that said I had a late payment? Who sent this? And once you do that, they have 30 days, people, to respond back to you in 30 days. This is why it's so important when it comes to credit repair to send everything off certified mail so you can keep track. You will know if they receive it, and you can count the days when they can send them back, right? Because with credit repair, by law, they have to respond back to you by 30 days. This is how you take full advantage. This is why certified mail is so important, and it's your responsibility to keep track of those days, okay? But after you send out that method of verification, this is going to hit them across the head. Because, of course, we already know they came back verified. You're asking for a method like, how did you verify my account? You said they were verified. So now once you send it off certified mail, they have 30 days to respond back with how they verified your account, all right? And you repeat this process over and over again. Either they're going to delete the accounts because they're getting sued now. They're either going to delete the accounts, or they're not going to be able to find the information in time. They got 30 days to respond to you, and you got receipts. So if they don't respond back in time in that 30-day mark, that's when you send failure to reply letter by law in 30 days, all right? You send that one on, bam, you're good. You're good. You're good. Accounts are going to start removing. Collections are going to start falling off. Student loans are going to start falling off. Credit cards are going to start falling off. All those little affirm counts that y'all have, ladies, because y'all be shopping. When I look at y'all credit report all the time, most of the time when I look at a female's credit report and all the negatives that's on there, I'm just saying, most of the time it's a whole bunch of affirm accounts because y'all got a shopping habit, for sure. I see it all the time. But anyway, man, yeah, that's the process what y'all need to do right now with the Cfpb being sued. And if you stayed to the end of this video, man, make sure y'all, again, hit that subscribe button if you already didn't do so. Comment that you're ready to level up this year. Comment your goals of your credit score that you're trying to get this year. Also, man, you can find all my contact information up in the description. Let's get to work. And on that note, man, y'all be